Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, the silver outlook went for the challenge to the upside at $16.90 and clearly rejected after printing a high of 80. From the rejection plus the technical implications, I am a little bit concerned now that we may have seen a top and we are looking back towards the downside, with the immediate support coming in at $16.35, which could eventually fall towards the lower region of the $16 handle. So do be a little bit cautious for those that are trading on the longer side, as we may, as I mentioned, seen a top. So with the silver topping out, you can also see that gold as well, after printing the high towards that 1264 level, does give concern now that the market is breaking down. Immediate support comes in at 54. Now beneath there would give further exposure to the downside to 48 and reassess from there. Any advances on the day should find resistance still capping at 64. Well, the Australian dollar retreats from the resistance of 80.55.65 and now questions whether we've seen a top. With the support broken at 79.60, we'd now see a further move down if we get a break beneath 45. This would reinitiate the downside to 78.50 and reassess from there. On the day, though, any advances should find resistance towards that 80.20 or firmer above 80.55.65. So with the euro backing away from the highs of 117.70.75 last seen in August 2015, the market has reverted slightly softer. But what has helped though is the dollar index rebounded off 93 figure, which was the low and also a crucial support area. And now looking back towards 94 handle, a break above 94.5 on the index would give further indication that the market is breaking down for the euro, with the immediate support holding at 116.50 and maybe down towards 116.10 and reassess from there. As a break beneath 116.10.20 would open up the way towards this uptrend of 114 the figure. Well, dollar yen case is now reverted back to a slightly bullish stance with the help of the US dollar and also holding above the 110.50 support. Now it looks towards a resistance of 111.70. A break above there would give further indication to the upside and see a retest of that 112.40.50 handle. Any weakness should still find support from 110.50. And to wrap up with the pound, the market clearly has rejected from that 131.45.90 area. And in light of the breakdown, a move beneath 130.10 would give further indication towards a 128.50 objective. Any advances on the day should find resistance still capping around either 130.80 or around that 131 handle. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.